In this tutorial, you will learn how to register a container in OpenNEX Appstore. Containers represent a lightweight virtual machine carrying and running an environment that can be deployed universally. Using these containers helps our users to faster implement their ideas without worrying about their environment setup. Also, OpenNEX allows community users to wrap their data analytics and environment into containers and share with the community. In order to share your container, you can select the Register Container from the top menu. Please note that the *cited field here means that the field is mandatory. So the mandatory fields for register contains our container name, short description, providers' names and providers' affiliations. Also, you must provide the container by either providing a Docker file or providing a link to the container on Docker Hub. For example, the name can be Climate Model Diagnostic, and the short description can be this container contains data analytics APIs for diagnosing climate models. Then in order to provide the container, I can provide the Docker file. And I can provide the link to the container on Docker Hub. Please note that if you provide a Docker Hub link to this container, you should also provide the docker run command for this container. Then the next mandatory fields are provider names and provider affiliations. You can also provide a long description for your container or upload a container thumbnail. Also, you can choose to apply for NASA endorsement for your container by clicking the Apply for NASA endorsement checkbox and input the application letter. This message shows that your Docker has been successfully registered onto OpenNEX. You can see your registered container in the containers list. This page is sorted by the registration time on the containers. So your recently created container should be on top of the list. Also, if you applied for NASA endorsement, your container will show under the NASA tab after NASA's approval.